how to make gluten-free chai carrot cake.
This is 2 cups of oat flour that we blend in the dry grains container.
Vitamixes are super helpful. They can save you a lot of money.
This is 1 cup of oats. This is 3/4 cup of coconut sugar. Our favorite is Trader Joe's brand. Other coconut sugars might have a different taste.
I'll have my favorite alternative in the video description if you don't have a Trader Joe's next to you.
1/2 cup of brown sugar. Dark raisins, they're extra plump. This is gluten-free Bob's bread mill, gluten-free 1-to-1 flour.
1/2 cup.
1 gram of chai tea powder.
I'll have the linked in the video description for the chai powder that we use.
And then 1 cap of the Trader Joe's vanilla extract.
Or alternatively, you could use 1 vanilla bean, and that would work equally as well.
1/4 of a teaspoon baking powder.
And this is great because it's healthy carrot cake oatmeal, and it's healthy vegan carrot cake, and low-calorie carrot cake.
1/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda and 1 cap of apple cider vinegar. This is Bragger's brand. I'm gonna mix it up for a moment.
We're using a KitchenAid Classic. These are amazing. These will last you.
Okay, we've mixed it up for a moment. I wanna open it back up. And I wanna put 1 bag of pre-shredded carrots in it. You can shred your own, but this is easy and convenient to have pre-shredded carrots around. Taking some of the time from carrot cake making.
It makes it great for meal prep and saves you time during your busy schedules to be more productive. Make sure you start off on a slow speed so you don't have a flour explosion. And we blended the oats in the dry grains container with the Vitamix to make our own oat flour. So it's so much fresher and you can control what's in it. But you don't have to use the dry grains container, you can use the regular carafe. Just the dry grains container works better.
Now I'm going to grab 1 more thing that I just realized we forgot. For our binding agent, we're going to grab 2 bananas.
The riper the bananas, the better, because they have more simple carbohydrates in them. They're also healthier, so it makes healthy vegan carrot cake even healthier.
Came back with the 2 bananas. See how these have so many spots on them? They're peak sugariness.
And we're using organic bananas because it decreases your health risks.
Putting back on the mixer.
Mix for 1 minute or until homogeneous.
So, and then you can see how wet it is because it's just falling off.
You can use a spatula or an offset spatula works well also.
Okay, and then we're going to put this in the tin right here.
The bun tin, it makes it look nice and pretty and allows you to get that nice presentation and makes it so it's easy to separate for meal prep and makes it great for students going back to school and especially college students because this is a budget-friendly recipe. Great for saving money.
So you want to make sure you get all the stuff out of the mixing bowl and into here. And then time to just smooth it out. Okay, so we have the oven preheated for 375 and it will be golden brown and caramelized around the edges.
It'll have the Maillard reaction occur around it to make it GBD, guys. Golden brown and delicious. So how hot do you want to put the oven?
375.
How long are we baking it again?
We're baking it for 45 to 55 minutes depending on your oven.
Okay, so we'll see you in a little bit. Be careful taking it out of the oven, it'll be hot. Use oven mitts. I have my favorite oven mitts linked in the video description. If it doesn't come out, tap it on the top and then give it a little shake. And if it still doesn't come out, use an offset spatula to push around the sides to get it to release. Linked in the video description with all the affiliated things that we talk about. If you like it cool, then the crumb structure help lets sit and solidify. You get a cleaner slice this way. Don't forget to like, share, and check out one of these videos. Leave your comments down below. What's your favorite thing for with your tea?